I was in Kandahar recently and Helmand, two southern provinces which have also been a great contributor to the agro-basket of Afghanistan. The main purpose also of my meeting there with communities, primarily talking to partners and UN colleagues and the de facto authorities, was to see the impact of what the United Nations is delivering. The efforts of the authorities in poppy eradication has also rendered a large group of farmers who are in need of alternate livelihoods. And I had a chance to sit with farmers and look at the work that's been done together with United Nations and partners. Chuck dams being built, irrigation canals being rehabilitated, farmers being given seeds and tools and fertilizer has impacted these farmers in a positive way. I had the opportunity to visit small, medium and large enterprises, including women-led enterprises. And I was impressed by the commitment, dedication of our female colleagues working to reach Afghan women and girls with their products. And this is the appeal that they had to the international community, myself, enable us space to be able to produce more, enable an environment in which we can flourish and scale up, and enable us to be productive, proactive and contribute to the Afghan economy as women into the whole process of nation building in this country. I had also the opportunity to see medium and large enterprises employing hundreds of Afghans linked to supply chains from agro-produce to minerals and marble to pharmaceuticals with combined investments in the millions of dollars to try to scale up big industry. Here as well again, the request was to have regulatory frameworks that encourage them, access to finance and access to markets. While we have a complex and challenging environment in Afghanistan, there are opportunities that also need to be seized. Seeing the impact of the programs being delivered by the UN, NGO and INGO partners and civil society, I was impressed by the joint-up efforts of trying to deliver together for the people of Afghanistan.